So as you can see, I've just finished washing or shampooing my hair, and I want to show you because I've always struggled with my hair always being a tangled mess, and it's always like it's too much sometimes for me to be able to handle and process, and I get overstimulated when I wash your hair. I'm just ready for it to be over with. So with that being said, I'm going to show you the products that I use now and the tools to kind of lessen the time it takes for me to detangle my hair during wash day. And I'm going to be using these products because I used it the last time, and so I just want to show you how it kind of cuts the time in half and kind of makes your life a bit easier. So I'm taking down my hair and I'm about to section it and show y'all because I'm about to use one of my products. But before that, I want to detangle my hair. This is how it looks now. It was a twist style. I just went straight in. I didn't feel like combing. I wanted to show y'all the uncut footage of how it works. So let's try it and see, and y'all gonna see. All right, so I'm gonna show you the products that I plan to use. This is a gem. You can see how much has been used. This is the second time I'm using it. Look how much I've used since the last wash day. Okay, you need this in your life, and I'm gonna show you why. These combs, you need them in your life. Get them, invest whenever you're able to. And then I also have the paddle brush. I'm so hurt that the metal part broke off, but this brush, a lifesaver. Okay, get it, invest when you can. So since my hair is damp, I'm going to open it and I'm going to spray. Okay, it has a really nice, fresh smell. Okay, I'll work that in. Okay, and I'm gonna get up close so you can see. Then I'm gonna take this comb and I'm gonna just start brushing. And had my hair been without this product and probably without this tool, it probably would have been a struggle. I'm not even gonna lie to you. But you can see how easily the comb is gliding through my hair. See? Look at that. It didn't even take that long. Now I'm going in with the paddle brush, just for a little, you know, a little extra, brushing it. And this is my right side, which I've found to be a bit coarser than my other side and a bit kinkier. So I mean, look at that, very easy. It's really not that bad. And this is the back part. Like I said, this is the coarser part of my hair. So yeah, and I'm just gonna put it back, and then I'll show you my left side so you can see how everything works on the other side as well. But let me do this side, finish the side off, and then we'll go to the next side. I believe this comb.
What celebrities have you smashed?
Now I'm going in on the left side to show you, you know, this side is a bit looser for some reason. I don't know why. It's not taking that long, seriously. Look how easy it's gliding with this comb and this product. You know, I'm showing you that wash day doesn't have to be so stressful, you know? Especially on a Sunday. It just doesn't have to be. Done.
That you was playing with. She continued, skip please. I want to make one thing clear. I booked her for an appearance to visit the Chelsea Stadium and support the soccer team as my last post shows. Instead of paying me, she fell in love with the client and told him not to pay me. I was a road manager with her getting her deals. By road manager, she means man. I was solid to this girl. She got what she wanted and never paid me. Simple, I want my money. Then she posted some screenshots of text messages. I don't need to read these. I think y'all get the gist of what's happening here. This is crazy.
This shit more common than you think of.
Oh, no, yeah, no.
I don't want to say the other shit that they travel around with the girls getting more drunk on their pussy. I didn't say the name. I just said they go around city wrestling with each other and get drunk. They sell pussy when they see it's common. It's a common thing. Like people on the internet with these speaking their personas. All this is people that want to fuck them. Down to the smallest one total. They can see $75 on cash app for a picture of your feet, DM me. Or I somebody get rituals for the night. You know, all this. I mean, it is like you think about
She's
shit.
PM us. I got a pedicure. I got a pedicure today. All right. 75.
Make sure you fix them bitches up, Joe.
What's the feet anyway?
So,
them niggas started.
and this is the thing. When you think about Sweetie, right? When she's giving this lifestyle where she's doing music, she got this team, she got label, she got whatever, and nobody really listens to that shit. You kind of like, where's the money coming from for her to keep the lifestyle up? You know what I mean? Is she single? Because they doing this shit.
That could be any of these shorties from around here. I'm trying to get some information.
So this is it. I think in all it took maybe about, in the 4 sections I had, it maybe took about like 10 to 15 minutes. Not that bad. I ain't never had it like that happen to me. So I'm just telling y'all, if you haven't already, you may want to go and get some. Okay? It really does as it says. It detangles, adds moisture and slip for improved manageability. This is gold in a bottle. Okay? Gold in a bottle. Let me show you my hair. Detangle now. Okay? Left side, right side. And I hope this was a great video that inspired you to go and get this product. And make sure you continue to follow me for more videos like this at Monet. Peace.